Comfort feels harmless. It feels safe, warm, familiar. But comfort has a hidden function. It doesn't motivate you. It doesn't inspire you. It sedates you. This is not a video about motivation. It's not about productivity, and it's not about escaping society. It's about understanding why comfort has become one of the most powerful tools of control in modern life, and why the most controlled people are not the poorest, but the most comfortable. In the past, control was obvious. Chains, guards, rules enforced by fear. People knew when they were being controlled. Today, control looks different. You are free to choose, free to scroll, free to buy, free to relax. And that's exactly the point. A system that relies on fear must constantly apply pressure. A system that relies on comfort lets people regulate themselves. You don't need to be forced to stay where you are if leaving feels uncomfortable. Comfort is offered as a reward. Work hard, relax later, follow the rules, enjoy the weekend. Stay quiet, stay comfortable. But comfort always comes with conditions. It requires predictability. It requires routine. It requires compliance. Discomfort creates questions. Comfort silences them. A comfortable mind doesn't ask, "Is this right?" It asks, "How do I keep this?" Comfort trains you to protect what you have, even when what you have is slowly draining you. Exhaustion and comfort work together. When you're tired, you don't seek truth. You seek relief. You don't ask big questions. You look for small escapes. Comfort becomes a coping mechanism. Screens, food, distractions, endless content, endless noise. Not because you're weak, but because you're depleted. And a depleted person is easier to manage than an angry one. Anger demands change. Exhaustion accepts reality. That's why the system doesn't need you inspired. It needs you tired enough to crave comfort. Comfort feels like peace. But peace without awareness is just silence. Many people aren't happy. They're simply not uncomfortable enough to change. Comfort delays transformation. It stretches dissatisfaction across years until it feels normal. Until it feels like life. That's how people stay in jobs they hate, in routines that numb them, in identities that no longer fit, not because they are trapped, but because leaving feels worse than staying. Comfort costs more than you think. It costs clarity. It costs courage. It costs depth. It keeps you busy maintaining a life instead of questioning it. This is not a call to suffer. It's a call to notice. Because discomfort isn't the enemy. Unconscious comfort is. The moment comfort becomes your highest value, freedom becomes optional. The system doesn't need you scared. It needs you comfortable enough to stay exactly where you are. If this made you uncomfortable, that's not a problem. That's awareness waking up.